guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Ishka Goswami and this video is going to be all about how to ace that base. Yes, you heard me right. So आज का ये video is all about how to ace that foundation because this is the first and the most important step in every makeup. अगर आपका base ही अच्छे से set नहीं हुआ है and if your base doesn't look flawless, no matter how good of eye makeup you did, वो किसी भी काम नहीं आने वाला because जब तक आपका base is not right, तब तक आपका makeup will not look good. So that's why I came up with this video because there are many steps in between that a person must follow to ace that base. But वो steps बहुत सारे लोगों को पता नहीं है तो I don't know करते क्यों नहीं है and अगर करते हैं then that's very good. But this video is for those people जिनको नहीं पता है. So without further ado, let's just start the video and do not forget to smash that subscribe button and that bell icon to stay connected with me because I come with videos every week. So what are you guys waiting for? Just smash the subscribe button and let's get this video started. So the first step towards your flawless foundation is to prep your skin and you have to start it by applying a toner. The immediate next step is to apply an aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel blocks all the pores and makes a very smooth base so that your makeup can set properly and gives you a dewy look. Next step is to apply SPF. Never ever forget to carry your SPF guys, no matter what. Just apply your SPF and then carry on with your makeup. Now the last step towards our skin prep is to moisturize. Moisturize your skin guys with a very good moisturizer. And now it's time to apply primer guys. And now it's time to cover those dark circles, and to cover those dark circles here I'm gonna use my color corrector from Derma. Make sure guys you just dab your fingers on those dark circles or dark spots that you want to hide and don't rub it. Just dab and just dab. Yeah, I think that was enough to explain what I meant over here. Take your concealer and apply it over your color corrector. Apply it over all the places guys. Here I am only applying it in my under eyes because I have only color corrected my under eyes. And after that immediately blend it with a blending brush or a sponge. It's time to set your under eyes. You can use a compact powder or a loose powder here. Finally we are in the final step, how to ace that base. So just take your foundation guys and take a few drops and start applying it all over your face. Also guys, don't take too much of foundation in the beginning as you don't want your makeup to look cakey. Take your blending sponge and spray a little bit of toner and then start blending your foundation. Oh my god, just look at that glow guys. This was only our goal, that our makeup base should look such flawless. Final step is guys to set your foundation with a compact powder or a loose powder so that our foundation stays in place. I'm just gonna make my eyebrows and put on some lipstick because yes, I want to complete my makeup look. So with this guys, here this video comes to an end. I hope this video was useful to you guys and अगर video पसंद आई है so please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do like, share and comment down below what else do you want to see, and I will be back with a new video very soon. So just stay connected with me, hit the subscribe button and take care. Bye.